Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best blockchain investment platforms where you can store, trade or transfer your digital assets. This platform is called Coinpocket. Coinpocket demonstrates modern e-banking infrastructure using digital assets and the blockchain technology. With Coinpocket, you can save your digital asset or cryptocurrency such as USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. and earn interest on your savings. This interest, which is in a form of commission, comes through the robotic trading activities that is built into the system. You can simply access Coinpocket on your mobile device by downloading and installing from Google Play Store. I have also included links to access Coinpocket in the description box below this video. Just like I said earlier, Coinpocket has an inbuilt robotic trading facility where your digital assets are automatically traded using a USDT currency each time you initiate a trade. The robot simply identifies sites that sells USDT at lower price and sites that sell USDT at higher price, and then initiate transaction between these two sites. Coinpocket also has an affiliate marketing system where you can make more money when you invite your friends to join the platform. Once you create an account, you can access a referral link or code with which you can bring people into the network. Now let me take you through the downloading and installing process. Go to Google Play Store. I've also included a link in the description box below this video. Now identify the Coinpocket app and click install to start downloading. Now click open. Click on register an account. Now set your country code and insert your phone number. Also, insert the invitation code. Now click on next. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Please insert the code in these boxes. And voila, the account registration process is completed. Now this is the home page of the Coinpocket app. You can see the various assets here. As you can see, the balance is reading 0. No fund has been deposited yet. Now the next thing we're going to do is to fund our Coinpocket wallet with USDT currency. A minimum of $10 is required. You can fund your wallet from any cryptocurrency trading platform or wallet, such as Binance or OKX. Here, I will be funding my wallet from my Binance account. But first, let me copy the wallet address from here at Coinpocket and paste it at Binance. Okay, let me set the transaction password first at Coinpocket. Now choose a transaction password. I'm going to deposit 10 USD into the Coinpocket account. When using USDT, the currency type is TRC20. Now this is the wallet address where I will deposit the 10 USDT into. Now I will copy the address, or I scan the QR code. I will now log into my Binance account. Now click on withdraw. Now the wallet address that I copied from Coinpocket, I'm going to paste it here. Select the currency type, which is TRC20. Impute the amount. I will put in 11 USDT because of the transaction fee, and I have gotten, now I have 10 USDT exactly. Now click on withdraw. Now let's go back to the Coinpocket app to see if the 10 USDT has been deposited. Great, that's wonderful. As you can see, the Coinpocket wallet is now reading 10 USDT. Now this is the commission robot trading market. The trading is done with USDT, just like I said earlier. Now the trading days is divided into entrusted circles, and each entrusted circle has an estimated monthly income. The minimum order for 1 day entrusted circle is 10 USDT, and you earn 30% monthly income. The minimum order for 15 days entrusted circle is 100 USDT, and the monthly income is 45%. The minimum order for 30 days entrusted circle is 500 USDT, and the monthly income is 60%. The minimum order for 45 days entrusted circle is 1000 USDT, and the monthly income is 75%. And for 60 days entrusted circle, the minimum order is 3000, and the monthly income is 90%. Now let's initiate a trade. Put in your transaction password. And voila, we have initiated a trade. It is as simple as that. And every day you get commission for the trading activities based on your investment in this platform. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.